Anong biscuit?
Yung
Matcha.
5 flakes daw na chief.
Don't have umbrella, guys. So, there's a typhoon for today, but I forgot to bring umbrellas, so I needed to stand up here. Waiting that the rain will stop. I hope so, because I am going to grocery store. So yeah. Oh my goodness. Raining. I needed to walk even it's raining. Everyone, oh my goodness. Hi guys, I'm inside of Jollibee. Everyone, rain outside. It is a hard rain because there is a typhoon today, everyone. So I forgot to bring umbrella. That is why I run and I run. But still, you know. But anyway, so I need to order spaghetti, chicken, soft drinks, and other. Going upstairs. So ready to eat, everyone. Chicken with spaghetti. Jollibee is really affordable here in the Philippines, everyone. So yeah, I don't have breakfast and lunch. So this one is breakfast and lunch and dinner, one time at a time. Wise spender. Because I'm not rich, so I need to taking care of how much only I have to spend. Anyway, if you can, you know, observe my hands. No. I put gravy on my chicken, everyone. Yes. I'm so hungry. Of course, when I'm not hungry, I'm always hungry. So yeah. I'm not shy, everyone. I don't care if you if you think about why she's doing that one. She's recording herself that she's eating. I'm proud with it. I'm so proud with it. Why not? Kung ikaw ay gutom, ano ka pa ba? Saucy or classy. So if you're hungry, then you eat. So that's what I'm doing. I'm eating because I'm hungry. Pero nabasa ako sa ulan, everyone. Look at my hair. Because it's really hard rain outside because like what I said, there is a typhoon today. That's why there is no class in any level of school or student.